Hello everyone. So let's get started and solve this question. It's a very easy question, just a simple uh, calculation, nothing more. So as the question says, a telephonic communication service is working at a carrier frequency of 10 gigahertz. Only 10% of it is utilized for transmission. Okay, so the number of channels, we have to find the number of channels, right? So the number of channels, the formula for it is the carrier frequency into uh, the utilization percentage upon the channel bandwidth, correct? So we'll just insert the values here. The number of channels is equal to carrier frequency, that is 10 gigahertz, and gigahertz stand for 10 raised to power 9, right? So into 0.1 as it is given here. Next, divide by channel bandwidth, which is given as 5 into 10 raised to power 3. When we calculate it, the answer we get is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 5, which is the A part.